Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Daulat and in this video I'm going to talk about the one question which you guys are asking me across every single social media platform. So I thought let's make a dedicated video on that question first because almost 90% people, 90% of you have asked this question. So I thought that let's start this Q&A session once again, and where I'm going to take one question which you are asking me on the platform. I'm going to make a video on that and I will try to clear all your doubts. So what you should do on that situation. So without doing any further delay, let's start the video. So the first question which I got from all of you, that Daulat, due to this lockdown we are not able to do our normal workout. What should we do on this? Like, it's very hard to see ourselves that we are losing our conditioning. Like before the lockdown, the kind of conditioning we had, and right now during the lockdown we can see hell and heaven difference. So what would your recommendation on this? Because if somehow we are getting demotivated within ourselves, like, so workout were giving us the motivations and we were happy, but now we can see the change in our body, we can see the change in our conditioning, and that's create a negative impact on our psychological level and we are getting demotivated. So what do you suggest on this, that how we should deal on this negativity, what we should focus on this situation to keep ourselves in shape? These are the things you guys were asking me very specifically, and I totally understand your feeling, the kind of situation you have been right now, the kind of feeling you have. I totally understand that because I'm also in the same conditions. Even I can see myself that how I was training before the lockdown. I was in full-fledged working 7 days for 2 hours, and right now from the last 1.5 months I was not able to do my workout. Like, I was doing my workout at home, but light bit workouts, and sometimes even I get frustrated because even I am losing my shape also. So in this time, what I would recommend you, don't lose your mind, just focus on the thing which you can control. Like, your nutrition is in your control. When it's come to building muscle, keeping your body in shape, your nutrition play a most important role in that. So as I always tell you that 20% is your workout, but the rest 80% is your nutrition. So if you keep your nutrition well, eat healthy food, you would going to keep yourself in a maintaining level. So due to this lockdown, you are not able to access to the gym, but what's in your control, you can control your nutrition, because that's thing you have in your homes. So 80% things you have in your home, so you have to control on your nutrition. You have to restrain yourself for eating the bad foods. Even I get frustrated, and what I do on that time, I eat some unhealthy foods like high carbohydrate foods. If I eat that food, what will happen? It will definitely impact on my body. I'm going to gain weight, I'm going to lose my conditioning. So this is what you have to focus on. You have to focus on the nutrition, and as per the workout, like, even you can perform normal workouts at your home. Like, you don't need any fancy equipment to do your workout. You can start with push-ups. For training your chest, you can go with push-ups. For triceps, you can easily do freehand triceps workout. For legs, you can do squats. There are multiple variation squats which you can include in your home training workouts. If you really want, you can do it at your home also, but like, these exercises will help you to maintain your conditioning. But when it's come to building muscle, if you think that you can build muscle at home, that's not possible. You would able to maintain your muscle. So in this time when you are not access to the gym, what I would recommend you, eat clean. Don't eat like unhealthy food. Try to focus more on food. Perform workout every single day for 1 hour. Try to hit 2 parts every single day. Like, you are training your chest, then you can go with your shoulder. When you are training your back, then you can go with your legs. So this is how you have to train at your home. Do it freehand training. Try to involve squats. There are a lot of variation in the squats. You can include all those variation and go on high reps training. So this is what you can do. For training, you should go with high reps and involve different variations of same exercise. Like for like, if you train your chest, you can go with close grip push-ups, wide grip push-up, normal push-ups. So there are multiple variations you can include in that. So you can easily able to have a good training at your home. The only thing is, though, you don't have weights, and don't keep that thing in your mind, then if you do your training with weights, then only you would able to have the conditioning. No, it's nothing like that. So it's all about your mind, that how you work on your mind. Like, if you feel that you are not gaining your muscle, you have no access to the gym, you're not able to train, it's nothing like that. You can able to have a good training session at your homes. You don't need any equipments. Like, for this 2 to 3 months during the lockdown, you can easily able to do your workout at home. Like, you can easily able to maintain your conditioning. Yeah, that's for sure that you're not able to gain muscle, because when it's come to gaining muscle, you need power training for that. But for the maintenance purpose, you can easily maintain your muscle while performing these home workout. So work on your variations of workout. Try to focus more on your nutrition, because when you start focusing on your nutrition, automatically it's will going to help you and give you a amazing result. So this is what I want to advise you. So it's all happen in your mind. If you have a clear perceptions, if you have a clear mentality that no matter it's lockdown, but I'm going to do my workout at home. I will give my 100% the way I was giving in the gym. I'm going to give the same 100% right now at home. I will focus on my nutrition no matter what is happening outside. I'm going to focus my nutrition, because nutrition is one of the most important things which help you to keep in shape. 80% nutrition, 20% workout. So I will give my 1 hour, 2 hours at home workout, include all the possible variation in that, and I will focus on my nutrition. Understand one thing: if your mindset is clear, if you are mentally strong, no matter what kind of situation you are in, you're going to manage it very easily. Like, this kind of situation comes any point of your time, like when you go for a walk, when you don't have time for going to the gym and spending 2 hours on that time, what you will say, you're not going to quit your job for workout. You have to be strong mentally, that on that time you will find out the time, you will going to find out the possibility and those exercises, those nutrition which going to help you on that point of time. So this is how everything works. Like, you have to maintain every single things accordingly, according to the time, according to the situations. You have to focus on that. Right now it's tough, we all are going through this, we don't have access to the gym, but what possible solution, what possible opportunity we have around ourselves, we are at home, we can perform our exercises at home. Don't need to worry about it. Just do freehand workouts and focus on your nutrition. Try to create that imaginary physics which you want to achieve during this lockdown. Definitely you're going to lose your volume a little bit. Yeah, you're going to lose your volume. If you want to maintain, then you have to do power training. Definitely you're going to lose your volume, but if you be consistent, you're going to maintain the aesthetics, or that cuts, everything would be properly visible. So this is what you have to focus more on during this lockdown. I hope this will help you. I'm going to the same things, but as you can see that still I'm able to have my pump biceps. I have no equipments around me, but still somehow I'm trying to bring some sort of variation in my workouts, and that's helping me to have a good workout session at my home. So this is what I have to advise you. You have to be mentally strong at this point of time. It's very critical, because this time will decide you how strong you are mentally. And if you are mentally strong, definitely you're going to perform better in the gym, because everything starts from here. If you have strong mind, you will have a strong body. If you will have a strong body, you will have good personality. So I hope this advice will help you, and you will work upon this, and it will give you amazing results. So that's it in this video. If you guys have any question, write down in the comment section. I would love to answer all your questions, and we're going to have this Q&A session every single day, where I'm going to explain my point of view. You guys should ask your question, that what you want to know. So you guys should ask in the comment section, and I'm going to respond on that, and I'm going to make a dedicated video on those questions. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions or any doubt, write in the comment section, and I will get back on that. Have a great day. Bye bye.